In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Minecraft no internet connection error. Let's get started. First, search for View Network Connection, launch it. Now from here, select the network you are using, right-click on it and select the option Properties. From here, click on the option Internet Protocol version 4 and click on the option Properties for it. Now here, check in for the option Use the following DNS servers. For the preferred DNS server, type in 8.8.8.8 and for the alternative DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4. Click on Apply and then OK. If the issue still continues, for the next step, what you have to do is search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Now enter the following commands one by one. ipconfig / release and press enter. Now type in next command prompt ipconfig / renew followed by ipconfig / flush DNS. After that type netdish reset and press enter. Finally close the window and restart your PC to apply the changes. If Minecraft still shows the error, try a full network reset. Go to settings, then network and internet and open advanced network settings. Scroll down and click network reset, then select reset now and confirm. After your PC restarts, your network settings will be fully refreshed. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your Minecraft not connected to internet error will be gone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.